Hello everyone. Today I am going to present PathGen AI, a platform designed to transform the way learners interact with educational content by offering personalized learning paths tailored to individual needs. Let's look at how PathGen AI achieves the level of personalization. This platform has three core components: the front end, back end, database. The front end, we are using React.js. It will provide a user friendly interface for learners to interact with the system seamlessly, which will provide a user interface for login or sign up and course selection, quiz, and displays the customized learning paths by sending the request to the backend via REST APIs. In the backend, we are using Node.js and Express. The backend processes the user data, analyzes the quiz results, and generates path using external services. For the database, we are using MongoDB, which efficiently stores user profiles, quiz data, and learning paths, supporting the dynamic nature of our content. In the external services, we are integrating the advanced AI tools like Cohere for quiz analysis and DeFi for learning path generation. Communication between components. Here, the React.js frontend collects the user login or sign up details and selected course or category fr- from the user and quiz answers during the quiz session and sends the inputs to the Express.js backend. The backend processes the confirmation of user details and fetches the quiz questions for the selected course and generates the learning path based on the quiz performance. And the backend also uses the T5 model for generating a learning path. And the database will store the user details such as name, email, password, and quiz history and generated paths and schema supports dynamic course additions or modifications. These are the underlying data structures in the MongoDB. We are going to store the quiz results and learning path in this format. The tech stack used here are front-end, backend, and database. In the front end, we are using React.js for building a dynamic and responsive interface. For the backend, Node.js and Express.js for handling the API requests and logic, which will communicate with the MongoDB for storing the data and quiz results. And the database is MongoDB, which stores user profiles, quiz courses, and course metadata and generated learning paths. And the Cohere API for performance analysis. And T5 model will provide you a customized learning path. The main roles in the app are end user and the admin. End user can be a learner or a professional, which is from initiative dashboard to real-time feedback. Learners have everything they need to succeed. They can register, select the course, and take the quizzes, and based on the quiz performance, they receive the learning path. And the admin handle the courses, updated quizzes, and monitor the user progress, ensuring that the content stays relevant and impactful. These are the interfaces to be developed for our PathGen AI. A user interface with a dashboard screen which consists of a search bar and the course categories where the user or professionals can select any course or category to generate their learning path. And the admin interface will consist of a course and quiz management interface to monitor the user details and results. These are the input and output screens. Coming to architecture diagram, it integrates multiple components to provide a seamless user experience. The key functionalities include user requests are processed through a React.js frontend and the backend logic is handled by an Express.js server. AI services enhance the system capabilities with intelligent learning and quiz generation. MongoDB ensures efficient data storage and retrieval. Client or browser is developed using a front React.js, and the server is handled by Express.js for handling the HTTP requests and responses. It acts as a central coordinator between the front end and the database and AI services. It provides REST APIs for generating paths, quizzes, and managing user data. Coming to workflow diagram, user sends a request through React.js frontend and the backend Express.js will process the request. AI services will provide a quiz and based on and the user can attempt the quiz based on the quiz results. The cohere model will return the quiz results and the T5 model will analyze the quiz, and based on the quiz performance it will going to present you a customized learning path, and the database is going to store the results from MongoDB. Thank you.